Good evening, everyone. Let's look at the headlines of the day. The Karnataka government is considering changes to the Anna Bhagya scheme, where currently cash is being provided to the beneficiaries. According to a recent survey, 93% of BPL card holders revealed that they want essentials like pulses, sugar or cooking oil instead of cash or rice. Food and Civil Supplies Minister K.H. Muniyappa mentioned on Tuesday that the government is planning to act on this feedback. He said that most of the beneficiaries want pulses, sugar or oil. He will discuss this matter with Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Former MLA Sowmya Reddy has been appointed as president of the Mahila Congress Karnataka unit on Tuesday. The Karnataka government is giving a big boost to startups with its Elevate program, offering 60 crore rupees in funding 263 startups. According to a recent report, the Department of Electronics, IT and BT has already backed 983 startups with a total commitment of 224 crores. This initiative is a part of government's ongoing efforts to support innovation and entrepreneurship in the state. The Calcutta High Court on Tuesday ordered the transfer of investigation into the alleged rape and murder of a woman postgraduate trainee doctor at R.G. Carr Medical College and Hospital from the Kolkata Police to Central Bureau of Investigation. A study shows all Indian salt and sugar brands, whether big or small, packaged or unpackaged, contain microplastics, published on Tuesday. The study, Microplastics in Salt and Sugar, was conducted by the environmental research organization Toxics Link, tested 10 types of salt, including table salt, rock salt, sea salt, and local raw salt, and 5 types of sugar purchased from both online and local markets. The size of these microplastics range from 0.1 mm to 5 mm. The Supreme Court has refused to grant interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in CBI's case about Delhi liquor policy. The court has issued a notice to the CBI and posted the matter for further hearing on August 23rd. On Tuesday, US Secretary of State Antony Blinken approved a potential arms sale to Israel, which includes fighter jets and other military equipment worth over $20 billion. The Indian government plans a 15,000 crore green initiative for MSMEs launching by early 2025. It includes establishing material recovery facilities, an e-marketplace for recyclables, and specialized organization to guide MSMEs in adopting green energy and policies, boosting recycling and efficiency across the sector. The Court of Arbitration in Paris has extended the time to decide on the disqualification case of Vinesh Phogat till August 16. Vinesh appealed for a joint silver at the Court of Arbitration. The India Meteorological Department has issued a yellow alert for Bengaluru and nearby districts, warning of rain from Wednesday to Saturday. The forecast predicts rainfall between 64.5 mm and 115.5 mm during this period from August 14 to 17. Coastal Karnataka is expected to see moderate rain, while heavy rains are likely to hit districts like Ramnagara, Tumkuru, Chitradurga and Chikballapur. In Bengaluru urban and rural, as well as Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Mandya and Mysuru districts, residents should be prepared for heavy rains and thunderstorms. Meanwhile, Koppal, Gadak, Haveri and Dharwar can expect light to moderate rain. That's all for today. For more such news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.